I am with my 1994 180sx, and it is broken. It has some broken bodywork, broken interior, broken engine parts, broken brakes, and today we are going to drive it to our favorite mountain, Genting Highlands. And this is inspired by Mr. YS Khong, and this is my first trial of a drive video. And let's go. Okay, this is the start of the journey. Let's take it slow. This is the first time. Uncle YS always start from this stop here, so we're gonna do the same. Of course, I'm not YS Khong. That kind of driving is 5-time rally champion driving. I'm not. I'm only a champion in my mom's heart. Today I'm here with my ex-girlfriend, so she's sitting beside me. Can't see her face, can only see one of her arm. Yeah, don't scream, huh? Okay, I'm recording with two cameras, one DJI Osmo, which is facing this side. The other one is right on my windscreen, the X camera, X4. Okay, this is the beginning of our first section, and let's take it slow. Today's Tuesday morning, so it's not a lot of traffic. I hope so, which is ideal for driving. There's one car in front of us. And I'm trying to keep it a steady pace. Pretty crappy tires actually. I think it's a Chinese brand, which is good for drifting, not grip driving, I guess. Can smell tire already. Can smell? Tire smell. A very old car, so I'm gonna take it easy. Famous roundabout. Spivey. Clear traffic out today, there's no cars. Whoa, a lorry in front of us. Okay, we can overtake. Thank you. Gaga. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 嚇親佢啊！ This is a 30-year-old car, but it still feels quite tight. Brakes are good. It's from GTR. I'll take this one easy. X-Max. I'm quite nervous with motorcycle in front of me. Don't know whether he got grip or not. Thank you. The roads are quite bad actually. By the way, this car still have a drift suspension in it, so it's quite hard, not good for bumpy roads. As you can see, my bounce-o-meter, every meat on my body is bouncing, so you can imagine how bad the road is or how hard my suspension is. Your side got bounce up. This is the fast part, but I'm taking it easy. So I want to start this channel, this YouTube channel actually is for driving. So I want to drive all the good roads in Malaysia, hopefully, with this car or another. And I want to take you guys along as a passenger. Right. So of course, we're going to start off with the famous mountain road where a lot of us are familiar with. And it's near, I mean it's in KL, so don't need to go very far, but I do intend to drive like all the way to Greek or even to Thailand. Have you guys drove in Thailand? The roads are pretty amazing. Alright, we are at Potong Jaya roundabout where it's very bouncy. And this is where our Mr. YS Khong will have a drink of water before proceeding to the next section. Well, Mr. YS Khong inspired me a lot. His way of driving is fantastic, and actually I'm very impressed by the way he drives and his manners on the road. He respects vehicles on the road and be a very gentleman, and I think we all should learn that. Although we all enjoy driving, but let's not be mud rabbit on the road lah. Okay, what's this? Vehicle working on the road. Yet. There's a little Axia in front of us. The roads are pretty bad. And I have a motorcycle on my tail. don't have a lot of grip. Motorcycle. Oh, that's our buddy. He's damn fast. He actually looks like he worked here. Lady, he's damn fast. She's damn fast then. Oh, look at her. He's a basah. She's fast. Oh, I wish I can. Oh, look at her. Wish I can see. I wish I can follow her. I don't think I can keep up. She's already gone. Well, let's not give her pressure. Tight corner ahead. Very bumpy roads. Jump! She's already gone. Can't keep up. Oh, she's right there in front. Very tight corner in front. Second gear. Sharing the road with the 4x4. Keep it tight here. There's a second corner coming. Is performing okay. Third gear, let's take this with the third gear. I mistake with the third gear, no power. Okay, this is a tight corner. Give it a second. Motorcycle in front of us. Okay, I'm stalling. But she's gone I think I need a second gear. It's a lady. Looks like a lady.
Yes, small size.
Yeah, but the way he or she ride is fantastic. Again, second gear, go in the inside lane and keep it there. Looks like a lady,
Right?
Yeah. Okay, let's not give her too much pressure.
Wow.
She's just so smooth. Just smooth. Wow, look at her. A wider lane here. Guy like lady. Lady, she's good. Okay, this corner is going to be tight. Let's use a second gear. Honda Accord, excuse me. Sorry, motorbike. Here as well. Take it slow here because we're gonna fly. There's a bump. Wow, Mr. YS is correct. Actually, it's very thirsty because I'm talking also. Okay, wrong angle, wrong angle, wrong angle, wrong angle. we stop the car. Almost at the top. Let's take the Genting Highlands. Woohoo! Okay, that's our first episode of driving Malaysian routes, and I hope you enjoy the little drive. I'm not as good as Mr. YS Khong, but it's not about speed, it's about enjoying driving and bringing you guys with me as a passenger. And I'll see you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Actually, your friend say bye bye. Bye bye. 180sx rocks.